Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. I just got this delivery from Amazon. It is a little temperature gauge for inside and outside, just to let me know the minimum and maximum temperatures. There's also be some Koya seed sowing. So the first one, that's definitely the Koya. So I'll do a video about that shortly. But the next one is this. Shut that on the floor. This advanced weather station with remote sensor, advanced remote sensors for accurate up-to-the-minute information. Multifunction alarm, your personal weatherman. This was £30 odd. There's everything. Barometric measurements, 2 outdoor remote sensors included. 12 24-hour time lapse. Display sorry. Indoor thermometer ranges, remote sensor thermometer, indoor outdoor, perpetual calendar, main unit powered by 2 AA batteries or USB mains cable, remote sensor, maximum minimum rate for hydrometer and thermometer, LED bright light, snooze feature on alarm clock, temperature display, Celsius Fahrenheit, moon phase display. So after all that, let's get in here, shall we? So look what's in here. Hopefully something good. That's the cable, that's brilliant. That's a decent sized cable. Got my extension cable in here just in case it wasn't very long, so I won't have to use that as much. That can run the floor, hopefully. So yeah, this is a lot with a lot of these items. To save a few quid, they normally give you the smallest cable possible to save on copper and the price of manufacturing. But this one is a really good long cable, a couple of meters long, I would say. Really nice, probably 2 or 3 meters long. That is brilliant. Let's get the sensors. So there's a white one and a black one. I'll have to find out which is which, because one of these is designed to be in full sunlight and one in the shade. So I'll have a look at those shortly. Then we have the main unit here, which looks great, and I can wall mount it, which is great. So this will probably go somewhere up there on the wall, so I can keep an eye on it, which would be absolutely brilliant. So let's see, batteries taken, 2 AA's. So yeah, let me get some batteries for this, get it powered on, and let's see how we get on then. Just one of the sensors here, just gonna show you. Takes 2 AA batteries, which is great, so I need 4 of those. I've got some rechargeable ones in the house. I've also got sensors and a display, which I think is brilliant. So these can be mounted outside, like I said, one in the shade, one can go in full sun. So with this, I shall get my, sorry about this, folks, get my cable Mabel, get this plugged in, let's get it fired up, shall we? Let's see what happens. Always wanted one of these. I think the price is really good value. So we have all those all the way around. Snooze at the top, on off. There we go. Looks brilliant. I like the colours. Let the stand out. You can just see that a little bit better. So just rest on there for the time being. Hopefully you can see that a lot better now. Let's do the peel. Oh, that's nice. What a nice peel. Yeah, next thing is, I'll go and get my batteries, plug in my sensors, and let's see how we get on. Just got some Found some of these, which is great, in the drawer. I've got some rechargeable ones somewhere, but I cannot find them to save my life. So let's get this sensor wired up. Like I said, for 30 odd quid, I don't think you can really go wrong for this. So I should go and put that outside. Right, that one's outside now. 18 Celsius. So, yep. No batteries in it, just run off the cable. So some batteries have to be soaked for tomorrow. Just going to take you and show you. As you can see here, we've got on, off. So that's on. Remote sensors there. Got channels that you can flick through. Got moon phasers, barometric pressure, remote sensors. That's sensor number 2 of the clock. Set the clock. I don't know what time it is now, just have a look on here. It's 8 o'clock. $8 o'clock, 8:17, so then that's up them. Sorted. So yeah, I'll just have to have a quick check, see how I get the channels. I think that's on channel 3, so if I, that's it, that's on channel 1. That's it cycling through each one you see there. 2. Yeah, barometric pressure, humidity, temperature, forecast. Right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Just want to show you, I'm just having problems getting this sensor to read on here. It cycles through 1 to 4. Then when it gets to 1, show you 1 to 3, sorry, there's a temperature. So all you need to do then is, if it's not picking it up, you've got a channel button there that you can press and hold that down for 2 seconds on the left hand side. That should cycle through and then read it, and then it automatically knows what's going off. Then I'm just going to put this back